Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Charger RT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include black cloth performance seats, engine, 5.7L V8 HEM AMDS VVT, STD, quick order package 29 and included, engine 5.7L V8 HEM AMDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, trailer sway damping RT badge, tires, P245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, STD, white knuckle clear coat, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches granite crystal aluminum, STD, rear-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading.